This giant steel wind chime, called Openwork, has been designed by Turkish architect Melek Zeynep Bulut. It's set up at the central courtyard of Somerset House and is made up of a set of gateways that jingle in the breeze. These gates are a symbol of enforcing borders and social hierarchies. But the interactive nature of the pavilion lifts some borders for visitors right at the start and gives a hint of what awaits at the Biennale.
Eser kendi içerisinde aslında multidisipliner bir iş. Hem mimari bir.
We wanted to design a performative space. This piece is multidisciplinary in itself. It's an architectural pavilion with acoustic surfaces. It can also be defined as a statue. When you first look at it, it's a solid monumental structure. But once you enter, it becomes a pulsating, moving object. The meaning switches, and with the visitors, the space becomes performative.
Eşlik etmesiyle bir performansa dönüşüyor.
Design is often perceived as something most of us can do without, an optional extra that can be deemed as a luxury. The Biennale aims to show that it's actually at the core of producing objects that address challenges.
I think the concept of design for a lot of people is that it's kind of the icing on the cake. And what we're about here is showing that it's actually not the icing on the cake, it's the cake itself. It's taking the problems and finding solutions, and that's what designers are trained to do. And so looking at what we're doing here now, these are really practical things that will be taken on board and actually change our world.
Not all designs on display are practical or even human-made. One of the participants is Aida, the world's first ultra-realistic humanoid robot. And it's come with a thought-provoking set of household objects that are completely useless.
I don't have thoughts and feelings like humans do, but I'm happy when my designs are thought-provoking, helping the viewer question the role of new technologies in our lives. The failed utility of these objects symbolizes the ways that AI has the potential to become problematic. And I hope my work results in discussion around these topics.
According to the AIDA robot project, these are the first objects made by an AI designer. A teacup with a missing chunk and a spoon riddled with holes. But these flaws are precisely the point.
So why would you have designs that fail at the Design Biennale? Doesn't seem right. Well, that's because we're actually using it as a critique and a question of where the whole AI world is going. It promises so much. It does incredible things, as you can see by some of these amazing objects that Ada's created. But are they actually delivering? What's the domino effect of this technology? Where is it leading?
Apart from useless designs, the Biennale also showcases practical pavilions that offer visitors a chance to bake bread or weave fabric. Poland's room looks more like a home improvement shop. It showcases reclaimed windows that will be sent to Ukraine to help rebuild homes. Ukrainian designers are also here with a view of what design looks like in times of conflict and with shortage of basic supplies.
Before the Russian invasion of Ukraine, Ukrainian design was developing in line with world design, bringing our local messages into the global discussion. But now we have become more functional and are using fabrics that we are able to use more rationally.
From futuristic and charming objects to everyday items, the Biennale certainly presents a vast collection of ideas on how to tackle global issues through design, creativity, and research.